Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I ask you to welcome the funniest clowns in Legazpi. A big hand please for Leila and Aiden.
Like this. Very good. Now step on the coin 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
My daughter is very dirty. Dirty. It will not clean her clothes.
Oh yes, it will.
Oh no, it won't.
Oh yes, it will.
Oh no, it won't.
Shall I give you a demonstration?
Yes, please. Jane, come here.
Yes, come here I am.
Take off that horrible dress suit.
Here, you are. Be careful. It's my favorite shirt. Let's put in the machine at the washer and wait for a few minutes.
Hey, come here. Haha, very funny. Haha, very funny. Do you want to play? Yes, of course. Let's play Simon Says. Simon Says, sit down, please. Come on, Johnny, sit down properly. Sorry, Coco. Simon Says, touch your ear. Ear. Simon Says, stand up. Simon Says, dancer. Simon Says, sit down. Now, a big hand, please, for our following clowns, Mrs. Potato and Coco.
I can see it, but you cannot see it. Okay, it's a race. Close your eyes. I cannot see. Okay, open your eyes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, can you see the biscuit?
Yes.
I can see the biscuit, but you cannot see the biscuit. So the money is for me. You keep the biscuit. Boo, I lost 10 euros. It's not fair. Boo, I can do that trick too. No, you can't. Yes, I can. No, you can't. Yes, I can. I put again to you. Close your eyes. Okay, open your eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see the biscuit?
Yes.
Okay. I can see the biscuit, but you cannot see the biscuit. So the money is for me. Wait, I can see the biscuit. It's on my head. You keep the biscuit. Boo, I lost 20 euros. It's not fair. Boo, I hate you.
This clown, let's welcome the strong and the weak clowns. I am the strongest clown in the world. Look, I lift 20 kilos. Don't be silly. I am stronger than you are. Oh no, you are not. Oh yes, I am. Oh no, you are not. Oh yes, I am. Oh no, you are not. Oh yes, I am. And I can show you. Look, I can lift 100 kilos. I know it's only 100. Stupid boy. How will you show me now? I'm the strongest. Let's have a competition. A fight. What can you fight? What? No, silly. With a spoon. Put the spoon in your mouth and hit me on my head. You the head? Great! Now it's my turn. I put the spoon in my mouth and I hit you on your head. 1, 2, and 3. Our sensational singers and dancers. Let's have a big hand.
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. I'm seeing the show, just dancing the show. All I want I'm singing in the show, just dancing in the show. What a wonderful feeling. I don't want to go. Elbows out, knees bent. I'm singing in the show, just dancing in the show. What a wonderful feeling. I don't want to go. Elbows out, knees bent, bottom out. I'm singing in the show, just dancing in the show. What a wonderful feeling. I don't want to go. Elbows out, knees bent, bottom out, turn around. I'm singing